What's up, guys? As you can tell, we're in the midst of a snowstorm. It started last night and it's going to continue all day today, but what better way to enjoy it than to troop it all the way to the gym on campus. I just hate being cooped up inside all day, and apparently the gym's open, so we're going to check it out. We got a leg day today. It's been officially 7 days, a whole week since I hurt my back last. So we're going to take it a little easy today, but I'm excited to get under the bar and see what we can do today. So yeah, I'll see you there. Here we go, baby. Let's get it. We made it, guys. Let's go.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, sin with me tonight. I run away. We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep your secrets there, keep them everywhere. Just you and I run away.
Oh, that was a great workout. We'll talk more when we get back. This snowstorm is brutal. All right, let's go. We made it.
That far.
In case of your boys.
Say hi. Oh.
You.
What's up, guys? So it's the next day. Things have been crazy with the snowstorm. I slept over Kira's last night, and I woke up this morning to just a crazy morning of shoveling, plowing, people moving their cars around the apartment complex. But we made it. Just chilled the rest of the day. Went grocery shopping with Kira. But in terms of the lift, my low back felt good. It still had a little soreness to it, but I'm happy like there's no serious pain anymore. And then yeah, I got some homework left on my plate, but I'm gonna end the vlog there. Appreciate you guys for checking me out as always, and until next time.